Hello, dear listeners. How are you today? This morning, we're going to learn about disease, communicable disease, the meaning, the causes, and prevention in BST physical education. My name is David Olofin. At the end of this class, you should be able to define a disease, define a communicable disease, identify the causes of communicable disease, and list the ways to prevent communicable disease. Communicable diseases are also known as infectious diseases or transmissible diseases, and they are illnesses that result from infection or presence and growth of pathogenic biological agents. Those are microorganisms, living things that you cannot see, but they are carrying diseases from host, from somebody that is infected or something that is infected, whether human being or animal, to any other person. In a simpler form, communicable diseases are diseases that are spread from one person to another. All right, they are diseases that are catching in sort of, so to say, that is, they can somebody can catch it. All right, they are diseases that are caused by germs or pathogens. Examples of pathogens are viruses, bacteria, parasites, worms, fungi. Types of communicable diseases. Now, you want to classify them based on sources. They are respiratory infection, for example, tuberculosis, intestinal infections, e.g., hepatitis, arthropod-borne infection like plague, surface infection like leprosy, which does not affect inside, it affects only the surface of the body. Then sexually transmitted diseases, STD, for example, AIDS. Causes of communicable disease could be direct contact with infected person or consumption of infected food, drinking of infected water, direct contact with infected animal or infected environment. Once again, direct contact with infected person, consumption of infected food, drinking of infected water, direct contact with infected animal, then infected environment. How do we prevent and control the diseases? Number one, we should enforce immunization laws and practicing universal cautions. Immunization. Children should be given immunization when they're young. And there are various immunization that is given by the government, which should be done at the hospital. Other practices or universal precautions are avoiding large gatherings, like just like it's happening about COVID-19 coronavirus. Avoid large gatherings, physical distancing by maintaining a distance of 2 meters between yourself and others. Then regular washing of hands with soap under running water and frequent cleaning of surfaces with soap and water or disinfectants. There should be ongoing health education relating to disease prevention, hygiene measures for students, families, and school personnel. There should be regular health education. It could be online, on TV, regularly, everywhere, with posters Media. You should implement good washing, hand washing practices, good hand washing procedures. As you can see there, you take water, one shot, you add one shot of water, get soap, you will rub the soap around your hand to wash. Wash the back of the hands, you wash in between the palm. Number six there, you wash the nails. Those one when you are doing that, you are washing the nails and every corner. You rub the corners of your thumb on number seven. And number eight, you wash the nails more better and every corner of your palm to make sure everything is clean. And the same thing happens when you are applying sanitizer. So when you're washing your hand, it's very, very important to wash every corner so that nothing, no germ, no infection, no pathogen can hide anywhere. To implement case isolation and effective treatment. When somebody is sick, the person should be isolated and treated properly and effectively. Then, when the person has been tested and confirmed okay, fit, safe, he can come back to other people and socialize with other people. I believe that now you've learned how to define a disease, a communicable disease. You can identify causes of communicable diseases and list ways to prevent communicable disease. Thank you for listening and bye for now.